Hey music creators! Today we're diving into the world of audio tech with a breakdown of the God Particle plugin by Cradle Audio. This plugin was crafted by none other than 16-time Grammy winner Jaycen Joshua, one of the most sought-after mix engineers in the industry. So, what does this powerful tool actually do? First, let's clear something up. If you've scoured the website, you probably noticed there's not much documentation on what the God Particle actually does. After reverse engineering the effects, here's what we've discovered. It functions as a saturator, stereo enhancer, and multi-band compressor with a built-in limiter. Essentially, it enhances your audio, making it sound richer, more dynamic, and full of harmonic content. One standout feature is the visual guidelines it provides for your low, mid, and high levels. You don't have to follow these exactly, but they're a great reference point to ensure your mix is balanced. Now, Jaycen Joshua himself mentions mixing into the God Particle, which is key. This plugin works best if you mix with the built-in limiter engaged, helping you refine your sound in real time and avoid surprises at the end. It's all about enhancing and polishing rather than magically fixing your mix. Lastly, there's the magic knob. It doesn't just boost the volume, it adds subtle harmonic saturation, making your mix feel warmer and more professional without overwhelming it. Pro tip: if you're newer to mixing and feel overwhelmed by all these terms like saturation, transients, or adaptive limiting, no worries. I offer personalized coaching sessions where we can go over all these techniques in more detail. Just schedule a call with me and we'll get your mixes sounding like the pros in no time. So, if you're looking to add that professional touch to your tracks and level up your audio game, the God Particle plugin might be worth checking out. Follow for more in-depth reviews, and as always, stay creative.